there are a lot of amenities included in this community. Clubhouse, they've got swimming pool area, they've got golf course. There's a lot here in this community. All right, guys, you're in the right place. Welcome to our YouTube channel, San Luis Obispo Real Estate. This is Jay Bond Real Estate Group. I'm a local real estate broker here in the county of San Luis Obispo. So if you are a potential buyer or seller, or you're just interested in exploring real estate here on the Central Coast, you're in the right place. So welcome to our newest upcoming listing. Now, this is a beautiful townhome in the Trilogy development of Nipomo. This is a golf course community, super desirable area, and this is some of the unusual inventory that's under $800,000, which is extremely rare here. All right, so this is our kind of courtyard, corridor, almost, kind of private, secluded entry here, which is really, really nice. As we see just the finish, kind of a nice Spanish look. So these units, full 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths, so 2 full bath, 1 half bath or powder room, if you will, 1,639 square feet. As we see, really nice high entry doors, right? Just for kind of look and approach, or those folks that are tall, can not bump their head when they come in. But as we see, this is a 2013 build, very, very open floor plan here. This is what you consider your, formal living room / family room, however you want to categorize it. But as we see, nice and bright, nice and open, plumbed here for all of your utilities, nice fireplace, gas-driven fireplace area. And then we have some of our wrought iron hand railing going up, which kind of ties in with the whole, Spanish look and feel of this townhome development here. Off of the living room, we do have our powder room right here. So we got our half bath, you got your vanity, you have your commode, if you will, as we see there. And then we have our nice kitchen space. Can have your breakfast bar or breakfast nook, if you will. Nice granite, dark finish on the cabinets, stainless steel appliances. And then we also have a nice pantry space here. Kind of a corner pocket pantry, if you will, off of the kitchen, which is always nice. And then we also have our laundry room here. Washer and dryer included. They're staying in this unit. Have a little bit of cabinetry, countertop space. And then this is actually additional storage under here, if we can catch any of that. And you can say, is this where Harry Potter lives? It might be. It might actually be at one point in time or in the near future. But good storage garage. We'll check on the exterior. We need to go in there just yet. But very open. Nice high ceilings, as we can see. So a lot of room for folks. Carpeted throughout, minus the travertine tile down on this lower level here. We do have 2 separate bedrooms right here off of the stairwell. Before we come in, we've got our full bath. We've got single vanity, commode, shower space in here. And then 2 mirrored bedrooms right here. Decent size overall. A lot of outlets in these rooms. Decent sized closet. This could be a guest bedroom. Could be room for the kids, your in-laws, whoever it may be that's staying with you. We have our mirrored room. So literally mirrored, same space in here. Fair amount of light coming in. Decent sized closets in here as well. Right. Then we make our way to the master. It's going to be on this side. Private, has its own closed entry. And then, of course, we also have a utility closet here as well. So we have all of our gadgets, alarm stuff, all that stuff built in on the wall. And it could also sub as a linen closet. It's nice. And again, our private door kind of separating the master bedroom from the rest of the unit here. Nice, decent walk-in closet. And we also have the master bedroom. A lot of natural light coming in here, which is nice. And then we also have a nice little patio area as well. So enjoy your cup of tea, your coffee in the morning, watch the sunrise or go down, if you will, with a glass of wine. That's probably what I'd be doing as well. Again, you're kind of continuing that wrought iron theme, that Spanish look right throughout this development, which is really, really nice. And then, of course, we have our master bath here. We can segue in there. We've got nice shower space, dual vanities, and then private closed off commode there. Okay. Now the HOA here, Homeowners Association payment, $665 a month. There are a lot of amenities included in this community, right? So clubhouse, they've got swimming pool area, they've got golf course. There's a lot here in this community, a lot to offer for what you're paying for. And we'll make our way down. Let's go look at the exterior of the Another great element of the community really is just the low maintenance of this whole thing, right? A lot of people don't want the upkeep, water expenses here in California, right? So if we can avoid a lot of that, it goes a long way. And we'll make our way out here. So here is the approach right here. And as we see, it runs very parallel with the other units. Very quiet, kind of surrounded by a little bit of eucalyptus forest right here, which is very common for Nipomo. Very fragrant, but also adds a certain level of privacy as well, which is nice. And these are concrete tile roofs as well of these, so not Spanish tile. Despite the Spanish theme throughout these townhomes here. We're going to see some nice olive trees kind of sprinkled out throughout the community, which is very common because we are in wine country, right? So as far as this development is concerned, you know, you're very close to things. I'd say you're around 10 minutes, if that, to amenities. So grocery store, shopping, this and that. San Luis Obispo Airport, you know, a lot of people are coming to and fro in the county. That's probably 20-minute drive from here. And you also have Santa Maria Airport, which is probably a 25-minute drive from here. So you're really, really close to amenities. You're really close to transportation here. You're also surrounded by a few other golf courses aside from Monarch here at Trilogy, which is a beautiful course, by the way. And we'll make our way through here. This is afternoon time right now, guys. You see how quiet, how private it is. Most of the residents are staying in, but it's also a very active community as well. So you're going to be seeing people walking around, cruising around in their golf carts, heading to the clubhouse, but very beautiful. Let's go check out the garage space here. So all these are going to be 2-car garages as we see here. And we left ours open just for all you YouTube peeping toms there that want to check out our garage. All right. Okay. So a lot of space, nice finished garage. You can be plumbed right here for soft water if you want to go ahead and cut that in. A relatively good condition water heater right here. Very simply put, very classic garage, nothing too spectacular. But want to show that space. You can park two full decent sized cars in here. Truck might be a little bit of a challenge, but there are a few guest spaces sprinkled out as we see these cars here on the left, and then actually right adjacent, right across the way are some spaces as well. So that's the tour of this unit here, and this is on Swallowtail as well. So if you like what you're seeing, hey, hit the like button, comment, hit that subscribe button. Love to stay in tune with you guys. Hit that bell if you want to get alerts when we're posting new content. If you are exploring real estate in either buying or selling in San Luis Obispo County, please let us know. We're happy to help you out, happy to be a resource. You can always visit our website, which is bondreg.com. That's short for real estate group, so bondreg.com. Hit that subscribe. We love to see you guys. Stay tuned. Our next video coming up, we're going to be touring homes in Pismo Beach in our new upcoming listing. And this is going to be a home under $700,000, which again is extremely rare. Beautiful property. Stay tuned.